These tropical popsicles are coming to you today via inspiration I received from a past trip to the Polynesian Cultural Center on Oahu. And when I was there, I had a very delicious guava colada, which is basically guava juice and cream of coconut. And I thought, wow, that would be fantastic in a popsicle. So I decided to take all the tropical flavors. I have mango, guava, and pineapple, colada them, and make some popsicles. So that's what we're going to be doing. And so basically I have about a cup of juice in each one, and I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons of cream of coconut into each one. And then you just give them a stir. What's nice is you don't need a blender, you don't need a food processor, and so you'll be eating these popsicles in no time. I'll just shuffle those over there. Bring in my mold here, which I really like these metal molds, you guys. And I'm just going to make 2 of each. So here goes in the mango. And you want to give them a little room for expansion, so don't fill them all the way up to the top. Get a little space there. Here goes the guava. And the pineapple. And then you just put on your little lids here. What I like about these metal molds is that you just pour water over them really quick and they slide right out. Now we're going to go ahead and add our sticks. And this is going to go in the freezer for at least 6 hours. What I like to do is put them in overnight. And we'll be back with those. I made some of these the night before so you could see them real quick here for the video. And I wanted to show you how easy these molds work. And so I just have some water here, and you just dunk the cold mold into some cold water. Pull your little lid off, and the popsicle comes right out. And that's how easy it is. And then you'll be eating these lovely guys and you will totally enjoy it. These are so great for summer. You'll be hiding them from everybody else. They're so good. Thank you, everybody, and enjoy. These tropical popsicles are just like Hawaii. Refreshing, enjoyable, memorable, and you can hardly wait to go back for more. And as always, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.